1982. Excited. Okay, doon po ang bola. Bola sa NHA and holding the ball Mr. Acosta, gipasa kang Patrick tong Maynard Patrick to Akailar, ang atong kagawad gibalik kang Patrick to Maynard, attempt for 2 points. Maynard 2-0. Okay. Now giving the ball Mr. Ronyo. Ronyo gihatag kang Jero. Jero ng Sibilia, nakita kapasahan, balik ang Ronyo, 12 seconds to shoot. Gihatag kang Umpoy, attempt for jump shot, 2 points, Mr. Umpoy. Okay, dribbling the ball, Mr. Patrick. Back to Patrick, gikan kang Maynard, nakita kapasahan, balik kang Maynard, 12 seconds to shoot. Gihatag kang Acosta to Nagat, ba na siya? Pitos pala to Mr. 6 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Ronyo, gihatag kang Mr. Romina. Romina ni Pormasia, ni Sulot siya, gi-itsa, and it's a 2 points by Romina. Romia. Tawag ito sila. Tansyo, kaya Romia lang yung tula mo. Romia. Romia to Mr. Umpoy. Grabe, isang 2 points per na siya kapag the game sa
Bulos.
Jenny Basketball. 4 minutes and 40 seconds for the first quarter of this game. Our score is 6-4. Lamang po ang Ramils and Son. To Patrick, yata ka Acosta ni jump shot and it's a 2 points by Acosta. Grabe kay Acosta ba nasa pulso. 4 minutes and 23 seconds gihatag ng dito niya gihatag sa mga tao. Dito niya gihatag sa mga cute na tao. Okay, we have Maynard. Maynard gihatag kang Aquilar, gibalik kang Patrick. Gihatag kang Patrick pala. Back to Maynard and 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes. Nakwa ni Sibilia. Sibilia to Umpoy, gihatag kang Rumia. Rumia attempt. 2 points by Rumia. Ang atong score is 8-4. Lamang po ng apat ang
8-6.
Ramils and Son.
8-6 mo, di ba?
Okay, rebounded by Rumia.
6-4 ba kanina?
Acosta na punit ni Rumia. 3 minutes and 40 seconds to Maynard. Patrick to Aguilar and traveling 5 seconds. We have Ronyo. Ronyo pass to Alpeche. Alpeche with a facial expression. Same ball position. 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Ang atong oras, 3 minutes and 27 seconds, sorry. 17-second shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Umpoy. To Rumia to Alpeche attempt. Wah, hindi pumasok na Konipitos. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. To Akailar to Maynard. Maynard, lumusot si Maynard. Giitsa niya, giatag niya kang iyang father. Father, pumasok si father. Gibigay kang uncle. And it's a 3 seconds violation committed by sino? 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, we have Ronyo. Ronyo holding the ball. Pass to Sibilia. Buwan na ni Sibilia. Agoy, basa man ang kamot. Basmado. Okay, we have Patrick. Pass to Maynard, back to Patrick. Patrick na ikapasan. Itsa niya, nagaduwa siya. Isa giwala ng kontra, 15 seconds to shoot. Gihatag niya ang kagawad. Itsa. Agoy na check naman ni Sibilia. Sibilia gihatag ka Umpoy na tumagali si Umpoy. Wala niya si Patrick. Gisusot. And there's a foul. Jersey number 22, Mr. Patrick first is a foul. First team foul. Time is 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Great jersey number 2, Mr. Umpoy, standing on the free throw line, 1 point, Mr. Umpoy. For the last throw, Mr. Umpoy. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 9-4. Oh, illegal entry, Mr. Sibilia. Excited. Muna, sikat na illegal. Illegal logging. Okay, we have here Patrick. Patrick, dibig na ball, nangita kapasahan, giatag niya ka Maynard, nangita kapasahan, gibalik niya siyang Papa, nangita kapasahan si Patrick, 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. G8 sa 4-3, 8 sa 3 points by Maynard to Romia. Romia, dibig na ball. Easy to 13 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Alpeche, 2 points. Alpeche, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Our score is 11-7. Okay, there's a foul. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 2, Mr. Umpoy. First is an foul. Second team foul. 1 minute and 57 seconds. First pa din. Na-foul mo to ganun na si Kuan. Ayan, i-check to. First is an foul. First team foul. 1 point, Mr. Suarez Maynard. Standing on the free throw line. Shoelace. 1 minute and 57 seconds for the first quarter of this game. For the last throw, it's a 1 point and perfect shot. 9-11. 1 minute and 50 seconds. We have Rumia. Rumia did the Angular challenge by Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot. Di siya niyang tres. Wala na achieve. Nakuha ni Alpeche. Alpeche na ito kasi ang niya kang ako sa pareha daw sila ng kanyang ginagaling ni Patrick. Patrick, it's out dos. 2 points, Patrick. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Ang atong score is 11 all. Labang ang pagwapa sa atong scorer. Dere sa kuan. Tubangan. 15 seconds to shoot. Gihatag kang Sevilla. Sevilla pumasok siya. Wala siya kagawad. Gihatag niya kang Alpeche. Gibalik niya ka na pakuha ni Patrick. Gipasa ka Maynard. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Tumira ng dos. 2 points. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Okay, we have Umpoy. Umpoy dribbling the ball. Pass to... Ay, parin sa jersey. Si Umpoy parin sila, no? 1 minute. Seconds sa play. Na-steal ni Romia. Romia, 55 seconds. Romia, giwala niya ang kontra gitsa ni Alpeche. 2 points by Alpeche. 50 seconds. Our score is 13 all. Now holding the ball, Mr. Patrick. 42 seconds. Maynard to Patrick. 39 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Ilabay dito si imaginary friend. Bola sa NHA. 35 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 3 points. 25 seconds. 16-13. 20 seconds. Lost ball.
Butong ba?
19 seconds.
May amigas ah. Sulod na sumunting.
Same ball position left. 14 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Sevilla. One more shot clock, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 6. Time is over for the first quarter of this game with a score of 16-15. Isa na lamang ang NHA.